How the human eye works. Hey there, friends! Have you ever wondered how you can see all the cool things around you? Like the sky, your favorite toys, or even your best friend's face? Well, today we're going to explore how your eyes help you see the world. Ready? Let's go! Introduction to the eye. This, my friends, is the human eye. It may seem simple, but it's actually an amazing part of your body. Your eyes are like little cameras that help you capture pictures of everything around you. Let's take a closer look at how they work. The parts of the eye. Your eye has a few special parts that work together like a team. Let's meet them. First, we have the cornea. It's the clear, outer layer of your eye. Think of it like a windshield on a car. It protects the inside and helps focus light. Next, there's the pupil, the black circle in the middle. The pupil is like a tiny door that opens and closes to let light in. It gets bigger in the dark and smaller in bright light. And around the pupil is the iris, which gives your eye its color: blue, brown, green, or even something special. Behind the pupil is the lens. The lens helps focus the light that comes into your eye so you can see things clearly. Finally, light travels to the retina at the back of your eye, like a movie screen. The retina catches all the light and sends signals to your brain, telling it what you see. How we see. So, here's how it all comes together. Light enters your eye through the cornea, passes through the pupil, and then gets focused by the lens. It lands on the retina, where special cells turn the light into signals for your brain. Your brain then turns those signals into the pictures you see. Pretty cool, huh? Fun facts about eyes. Now, let's have some fun with some cool facts about eyes. Did you know that your eyes can distinguish around 10 million different colors? And your eyes are always working, even when you're asleep. They help you dream and protect you from bright lights. People have a stronger sense of sight in the daytime, but your eyes can also adjust to see better in the dark. Eye care. Taking care of your eyes is super important, too. Here are some tips to keep them healthy. 1. Wash your hands before touching your eyes to keep them clean. 2. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes from the sun's bright rays. 3. And don't forget to visit an eye doctor regularly to make sure your eyes are in tip-top shape. Your eyes are amazing, right? They help you see the world in all its colors and shapes. Keep them safe, and keep looking around at all the incredible things in your world. Thanks for watching, and remember, your eyes are your window to the world. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next time.